This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade today on Bitcoin. First of all, let's put my charts into perspective. Up here we have a candlestick area. Here is a volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. Down here, this is the MACD. These purple lines that you see here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot R4. This is Camarilla pivot R3. This blue line that you're seeing here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart, and this is the daily chart. And everything that you're seeing here on the 15-minute chart correlates down here onto the daily chart. First, let's go into the daily, and I'll show you what I'm seeing here today. So down here on the daily chart, what I'm seeing here on the daily, well, you can see there's today's been a strong day. There's been lots of buying here. Today, this is today's candle right here. And we can see here the slow stochastic, the slow K, is in an overbought condition. We can see today that there's buyer momentum and that the MACD is above the average here. You can see the 200 EMA is right here, and it seems like Bitcoin wanted to test this level today, and we can see going back about a week and a half. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days ago, if you bring your attention to this bullish candle right here, you can see the conditions with the the slow stochastic. The slow K is in an oversold condition. Sellers have momentum, and the MACD is below the average. But you can see on this day, following this day, the slow stochastic starts to curl up, makes the cross here, and makes its way to this overbought condition. So this to me is the sign of potential reversal here, making the daily traverse from oversold to an overbought condition. So we can see this as being a bottom, which it is the bottom for the current market conditions right now, and this is likely the start of the buying that brought us up here to test this 200 EMA here. But that's what I'm seeing on the daily. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on the 15-minute, and I'll walk you through my trade process, which got a little messy today. There was news from FOMC, and I'll walk you through everything that happened here. But first up, let's go over what I'm seeing on my indicators. And this trade idea here is an R4 to an R6 traverse, which this was R6. This level right here, that where I took profits at, is the R6 level. But what I'm seeing here, what you're seeing here are Fibonacci retracement levels. I put these on when I'm looking for an entry and want to take pullback. I'll take these off so that we can get a cleaner look at the price action that's beneath them. So I took a few entries here on Bitcoin today, and I'll show you my idea behind it. Also I made an error here on this first entry. So it took a couple entries to get in, and then things kind of smoothed out. And then here around the news event, things got volatile again. So here on this first entry, the first error that I made is I was using my indicators to try to time the move, as in where the buying starts, that initiates the breakout of the R4 level here. This is R4. So my trading system is based off the Camarilla pivot points, and if price action of a currency pair trades above the R4 level, it signals for me along to this R6 level. So here in this candle, 730 or the 715 candle, we can see that, well, actually you can't see because these arrows are in the way here. I'll move these up. So this purple line is the R4 line. We can see here at the 715 candle that Bitcoin breaks out of this R4 level and then pulls back rather aggressively. Based on my signals here, looking at the slow stochastic and the MACD, trying to get a tighter entry, this candle registered. But this is the actual candle right here that initiated the leg up to the breakout to R4. So I attempted to take the position twice here just off of this candle, but got wicked out from pullback. And then at this candle here, on my third entry attempt, I set my stop loss below here and was able to catch the buying action back up towards R4. What I then observed is then when it broke out of R4 again, we got more pullback. That's where that other Fibonacci retracement was located here. I took a second entry here with the stop below this candle, which this candle was the initiatory candle for this breakout, or the second breakout of the R4 level. So I took this entry here and both of these entries are at the 0.618 level of the Fibonacci retracements. After this entry, buying stepped in and buyers were able to hold the price up above this R4 level, and it traded pretty much in a range, just consolidating here. My trade idea, being long here at R4, this is my trade idea, or my trade theory, is this consolidation in this area here is accumulation. So accumulation of shares up here in order to move the price higher. And then if we come over here to this second entry, also down here on the indicators, we can see there's some volume here, a little bit of volume here, and this is in conjunction with the open of the U.S. market right here, this 730 candle. And then we can see here things are pretty flat. We have the slow K maybe crossing over the slow D, or they're together. Here there's really no clear separation, minimal buyer momentum here. On the second entry, we can see here that the slow K is now trading above the MAC, or trading above the slow D. We can see the MACD starting to trade slightly above the average here. Another thing to bring to your attention, this 200 EMA right here. Any long position that I take, I want to see any long position that I take, I want to see price action trading above this 200 EMA. Any short position that I take, I want to see price action trading below this 200 EMA on the 15. So this 200 EMA is how I'll gauge strength or weakness, and I find very rarely, if I'm looking for a trade, that if I take one, if it trades into this 200 EMA, it's likely to turn around. So I only try to trade this based, or using this as a support or a resistance level in taking trades, if at all possible, taking it as close to this level as possible. So here, taking this entry, Again, showing strength here. We can see buyer momentum increase here on the MACD. We can see the MACD getting some space in between the average, and also seeing the slow K um, well above the slow D. And here, there's another pullback as Bitcoin sells below the R4 level. So I took another entry here where I had another Fibonacci retracement set up here for this entry. Took the entry at the 0.764 level, but was stopped out. So this is one trade right here. And then on this next candle, it sold more here with this wick that's right here. And then this stopped me out from my ad that's over here. So this is a trade, and then we can put these together. So we can see these didn't work out, that didn't work out, this didn't work out, but I'll get rid of all this, which brings now to this level right here, to this candle right here. This candle is, I believe this was 2 p.m. Eastern time here, or not 2 p.m. Eastern time here, but 2 p.m. Eastern time for the U.S. market. The FOMC minutes were released, and the algos here in this candle put in some rather large wicks to the long side and to the short side. I was continuing to watch this, and this entry right here was never disturbed. So I took another entry. Took another entry right here with the same stop loss as I had for this entry. And we can see here, or at least the price action at first wicked up, then wicked down, then found support here at the R4 level. So anyone in this, a lot of people likely got shaken out of this or stopped out of this in either direction, whether they were trying to take this long or short. And we can see here that support here held at the R4 level, and this candle here, the FOMC minutes were actually, or the news conference or press conference with the Fed chair was coming out, or was happening during this particular candle here. We can see that support at R4 held, and then we can see buyer momentum here. We can see here there are oversold conditions. We have sellers in control. Then we get in conjunction with this price action, we get a slow K crossover, the MACD, now placing us in overbought condition. And we can see the MACD cross over the average with increasing buying momentum. So this is basically the breakdown of what we had here with Bitcoin today, with news coming out. I took this long position pretty early here, or at least trying to take it here right before the open and at the open. So it's been an all-day one, but it's been worthwhile here with the balance. So I believe I started today with about $102 or $103 balance. So even after some messy charts, also earlier I traded Solana and Cardano for profit, but Bitcoin wound up being the big profit winner today. But this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.